Well, we made it, guys. About to get out, go check this thing out.
I'm excited.
I'm
excited.
Excited? There's a couple camels over there. I like some alpacas, ponies. These were auctioned off yesterday. Hi. Hello. I think I need a camel. Yes. Are you gonna eat my food? I got a bunch of food in my hand, so I can't pet it. I was told there's some babies in here. I'm gonna have to go find them. There's a bunch of llamas and alpacas in there. Oh, this big one's coming up to me. Oh, they're so sweet. Pet it, baby. Stick your hand in there. Pet the baby one.
Alpaca.
Rylan.
Mom, it's
right
alpaca.
there.
This is the only way how it works. That's what especially with that side, I don't want
Guys are party showing up.
Right?
668.
Huh?
668.
618? Oh, 668. Oh, man, I was off. Good remember. Sorry about that. 668. Six. 25. Let's sell a little high down there. Let's go 200 to start. 200. Got 100 and a half, 175. 175. Started on 175. 175. Started on 175. 175.
Oh my gosh.
175. 175. 175. 2. I'm 175. 2. 200. 175. 2.
Well, I didn't get my sulcata, but maybe next time. There's one I probably could have afforded. Definitely coming back in the fall for one of these. For sure. Look at this big guy right here. Oh my goodness. So cute. Got some baby calves.
It's not like she said. We have the white ones. Look, let me try
Oh, you're friendly. Yeah, you're friendly. You wouldn't believe how soft this little camel is. Look at these little babies. Oh, they're sweet. We got a tiny little donkey over there. Oh. He's trying to get milk. I don't know. Pretty cow there. What do we got in here? Sweet little goat. Another tiny goat. And what do we have here? Kangaroos. That's cool. Now, what's behind us? What is that? Porcupine. Got some peacocks. What is that in there? And look at that gorgeous peacock up there. Beautiful. Did you have fun today? You want to come back? Hey guys, so today we wanted to talk to you about some new animals that we got.
We got some chickens at the auction. They're not just any chickens. They're lavender Orpingtons. We've been wanting to get some for years, and they were sold in pairs at the auction. So we got more roosters than we need. But I think we averaged about $40.
$38.
$38 a bird. So we did pretty good getting them. We'll probably turn around and sell a couple of these roosters and recoup some of the expense to buy them, because we're going to end up having a few too many roosters for the amount of hens we have, unless we can find some hens. If I could find 5 or 6 more hens, I'll keep all these roosters. But we don't even have a chicken coop built for them yet. We're working on that chicken tractor, and we got ahead of ourselves. So we went and we seen this auction coming up, seen that they had these lavender Orpingtons listed. We didn't have time to get anything done, so we're gonna have to make a very secure temporary coop for them. In the meantime, we're gonna be getting these guys out of these little laundry baskets that the people brought them in, and we're gonna be getting them put into this big dog crate for now, and then I might have to make a store run and just grind out and finish that chicken tractor today.
Yeah. And we also got a couple mutt rabbits. We thought maybe were mini Rex, but they're not, or Rex, or they're just a couple mutts. One looks like cottontail.
What did we pay for those each?
10 or 15.
I think I only gave like $10 or $12 for them. So
Not too bad. And then we picked up an American blue buck. It's not a very common breed. It's very similar to the New Zealand's, but it's blue, which I'll show you here in just a second. I think they get a little bit bigger than the New Zealand's. We've never owned, well, actually we did. No, we had American blue mix, but I'm just going to turn this camera around and show you guys. So this is our American blue. They're excellent meat rabbits, and they get huge, and they have huge litters also, and they're supposed to be really good mama rabbits. This, of course, is a buck, which they had a buck and a doe that we tried to get, but somebody outbid us, so we ended up with him. We just breed him to our white New Zealand until we can find an American blue. But
hey, easy. She's not going to be a very good livestock dog.
I think she's seen a rabbit before. Let me show you these poor guys. They've been in here all night. We didn't get home till 11 o'clock last night. And so at the wild side auction, each animal out there is supposed to be put in their own cage. And so they did these little makeshift baskets. Pretty good idea, but they're cramped up in here. We got to get them out of here. They're all wet and dirty. And then here are our little mutt rabbits. Pretty cute. I think this one is for sure a mini Rex cross. Holy moly, Dakota, that one's got blue eyes. It looks like a blue-eyed cottontail, huh? Oh, they look terrible. They need somewhere to bathe. These are gorgeous chickens. Yeah, Rylan will catch them. Rylan's our chicken catcher. I have no idea how old these chickens are. They did, I think, was it just one or two of them laid eggs? One of them laid an egg. It was real small. I don't know if it's from the stress of being moved around or if they're just pretty young still. They're beautiful birds. They look really healthy. Aside from the mess they've been sitting in all day.
Come here, boy. Where'd the rooster go?
Under there. Pup's trying to fill them out. Levi's chicks are growing. I don't think we've showed them in a while. So he's looking forward to getting those sold here in another month or two. So he's got some more ventures in mind. He's going to start saving for the next wild side auction. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today. We'll try to get a video done of the chicken tractor when we get it finished today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video and comment below on what you think about these chickens.